You guys were verbally trespassed. You guys are told to leave. We escorted you off property and told you if you returned, you would be subject to arrest.
You never told that?
Yes, we did.
We didn't sign any papers there.
You didn't have to sign any papers. You were given a verbal trespass.
We're leaving.
And we
We're
told
literally
you.
leaving right now.
We want them arrested, correct? Grab the drink.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sorry.
On September 10th, 2023, Orlando police responded to Universal Studios Florida during Halloween Horror Nights. Two brothers were reported acting belligerently and grabbing items from a bar. Park management requested a trespass. Under Florida Statute Section 8 to 10.08, a private property owner or authorized agent may trespass any individual without providing a reason. No evidence of criminal conduct is required. The brothers repeatedly demand proof of wrongdoing, a common misconception. Trespass authority on private property is absolute.
Hey guys, hey, I'm Corporal Essential with the Orlando Police Department.
Go ahead. Yes,
so
sir.
Here's why you're here, okay?
Okay,
We
cool.
did not see this, they didn't see this, but here's how this is going, okay? Do you guys have IDs on you?
Yes.
Can we please see them?
Of course. Why?
I'm asking to see them.
Why?
I'm asking to see them.
Why?
So you guys were reaching over...
Dude,
Dude, will you stop?
Why do we...
I'd like to explain to you. Can you please stop?
Of course I can.
Please
Because I'll
explain.
speak, but you need to shut
Explain
your mouth.
why we're here.
Please explain why we're here. Why we're
What
in
did we do to
captivity.
you or him or anybody to cause any problems? What did
Can
we
I
do to
speak?
you?
Go ahead,
Of course.
please.
Okay. You were reaching over the bar taking things.
Us?
So they want you trespassed. Do you have IDs on you?
You have video of that? Oh, I was taking it.
It's private property. They can trespass you at any time for any reason.
No.
Do you have your
I
IDs
can't
on
do
you?
that. We didn't do it. We never took anything.
We
Okay.
didn't.
They
Do
can
you have...
trespass you. Do you guys have your IDs on you?
Absolutely. Do you have...
We're not
Can I
giving
please
you
see
any
them?
idea. Did you see a
Can I
video
please
of
see your
us
ID?
taking- No.
You can see it, but do you have evidence of us stealing
We're
stuff?
trespassing at their request.
You're trespassing.
I know you're
We're not
trespassing.
trespassing at all.
So we're going to issue a
We
trespass.
never. Okay, you could say it. We can leave.
Wait, hey,
we
hey.
never trespass,
Hey,
bro.
let's be
What are you
neutral.
talking
Hey,
about?
hey,
Hey, did they steal anything?
Godo, please.
We did not steal anything.
Godo,
Hey.
hey, Godo.
We're just being dishonest.
Neutral. Hey.
Okay, so here's
Godo,
how this
please.
is how this
Hey,
works.
Godo.
This is how this works.
Let me neutral. Hey, neutral.
Listen.
Go ahead,
You
go
didn't say
ahead.
we stole.
Hand me your ID so I can issue your trespass, or I need both of you to get up now, and I need you to start walking
We're leaving.
out. Let's go.
Yeah,
We're not doing this.
We didn't do shit.
We're not.
Go, Frankie. All right. Yeah. You're gonna say we stole.
You want to
that.
call
Yeah, bro. We're not stealing at all.
this way?
Hey, let's do shit. That's why you're letting us go. This way. No, we gotta go.
Go this way. This way.
All right. Go, Frankie. But why
Hey,
is
we'll
detaining us
take
again?
them straight out.
Let us go.
You're not detained.
Oh, okay.
We're telling you to leave. They don't want you
Oh,
here.
they want to kick us out.
They want to kick us out. We do shit. Yeah. Fuck me out. No, we out. Yeah. Frankie, if we did something illegal,
No, of course. They would arrest
Let's go, gentlemen, this way.
yo, I cannot believe you're really kicking us out.
Look at how you're acting. This is why you're getting kicked out. This way.
guys.
This way.
After we've been
This way.
No, we're leaving.
Right. I'm making sure you're going this way.
to be 100% with you.
No, don't worry about
No,
it.
hey,
back up.
No, I'm telling you that, boy. Hey, 100%. If I walk in tomorrow, what will you tell me? You will be arrested.
Yeah, you guys cannot come back for a year. If you come back for a year, you are subject to being arrested. You will go to jail.
We ran in pass holders. What we do doesn't matter.
Unfortunately, you're no longer back.
Nah, that's cool. That's cool. What do we do?
No, but I gotta cancel
What do we actually? So it's private property. You see what we did? Did you see what we did?
Yo, Godo, trust me, it doesn't matter.
Frankie, that's not the point. The point is that you're
They
pressing.
didn't see shit that we did. We're
and they're
not guilty of
pressing
anything.
They know what we did.
We're not guilty of anything. We just
You don't have the keys. Come on, you $45,000 a year salary guys. Come on.
Let's go.
Oh, damn.
Which way do you want to go out?
Hard Rock.
Okay, we're gonna go out the Hard Rock. Let's go.
Can I get my
Let's
drink?
go.
Can I
No.
get my drink?
Let's go.
Come on, guys.
Wait,
This way. Let's
I
go.
haven't left my drink though.
Hey guys, can I just talk to you real quick?
Yes, please. No, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm the
You guys-
other one.
Why don't
You
you
guys
fucking
are
try
staying
like that, bro?
Wait, you guys are staying at Portofino tonight, right?
Yes,
So what we need to do?
Yeah, you're things out.
No, please. Hey,
I
Godo,
don't
shut
want
up,
to.
please.
I don't want to.
Godo, please shut up now.
Trust me, I don't want to, but we can't.
I'm
But I
doing this
don't want
one.
to.
I know you can do it. I know you can regulate this.
And I don't want to.
I know you can do it.
No, they don't have the key. That's why we got to go out the Hard Rock way.
Goodness. So what?
Are any of you all married, dating
I
them?
am married to this dating.
Get them out of here before they go to jail.
No, I know.
No. I'm asking you. No, we have to go around the other way. I'm asking you to help us out because this one right here is working his way to going to jail if he doesn't stop. The one with the black hat. Yes.
Listen, he's really good at what he does.
Right, he's drinking, he's drunk.
Yeah, but we're having a good time tonight. He's has a newborn baby. This is their first night off.
I get
Oh my
it, but
goodness.
unfortunately, you know, they this is how they're acting, and we're asking that you all help us out because we really don't want them taken to jail. We don't want to ruin anybody else's night, but
OMG, we got it.
we appreciate it.
Gotcha.
It is I'm not gonna lie.
Look at how you're acting.
Look at him.
Look how you're acting.
What I do though?
You're acting drunk and belligerent.
What I do?
Keep walking. That's it.
You got to understand there's things called consequences, sir.
You're human, I get it, but that's their job. That's it.
I get it, but like, be humane with me.
1 year. 1 year. We're back. 1 year.
I'm passing the annual pass. I'm good.
You're just here hanging out. So I guess they were at the bar, and while they were getting their drinks, they were sitting at the bar. They were reaching over, grabbing stuff, pulling stuff, and screwing around with the bar. They've been acting drunk and disorderly, and they were observed doing it. But this is private property, and we explained to them it's private property. They can be told it's private property. They were observed doing it, and they were told to leave. Unfortunately, we're here to enforce the part of them trespassing. That happens.
No, we're not taking the boat.
Taking the walkway.
Walking pass. Hey, walking pass, baby. We gotta go to Portofino.
Yep. All right, go that way.
Yo, walking.
Thank you. How far are you guys gonna go with them? She's finishing her beer. She's finishing her beer.
To the right, guys.
Wait, I can't do both. Hold on.
Hey, we'll keep an eye on your friend, Jackie. She's fine. She's fine. We got an eye on her.
You're right here.
Yeah, she's up by the tree drinking. She said she's not capable of pounding it back.
No, Dad. No, I love you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm sorry.
Thank y'all.
Oh, you guys are gonna keep coming.
We're done.
A short while after seeing the brothers and their party out of the theme park area, the brothers' progress stalled and police are called to meet the group again along the walking path to the hotel.
That's the best thing going forward. That's all we're trying to do.
Yeah, no, hey, 100%. I don't discriminate what you're doing. I respect it 100%. I just don't understand. That's the problem.
That's fine.
That's what I'm going with. My
I
brother is 100% different.
All they're saying is that we have to get to the room, and that's it. That's it. Don't make any noise. Don't say anything. Let's just go to the room. Yeah. That's it. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Come on.
But he just.
He don't say anything.
Okay.
He just says
I
get
bet.
to the room. Yeah. If not, we get kicked out.
But he just said
Come
as
on.
long as we're being good.
Exactly. Let's go to the room and be good. Come
Okay.
on.
All right. We're kicked out. I get it.
Which hotel are you going to?
Guys, what hotel are you at?
Is it wrong that we are going this way? Yeah.
All right. I completely understand.
You pass this threshold, it's us, guys.
My issue is that I don't understand why we're kicked out, and that's what I want to
It's
know.
private property and they can kick anybody out they want.
Why?
They don't have to have a reason.
No?
They're to guest services tomorrow.
You can
That's
call
it.
guest
We'll resolve
services,
this
throw
tomorrow.
a fit through that way.
They're
fine with
doing
that.
their
But
job.
tonight's not the night for it. You've
Exactly.
obviously been drinking, and you're not going to make great decisions when you're drinking, because generally people don't.
They don't. I agree with you. I agree with you.
So
I agree with you.
it's something you wait to do tomorrow on the telephone with guest services.
I agree with you. I want to
Bring
agree with
everybody
you.
in to talk to
Not
them.
fighting with you. I agree with you.
I'm not
saying yours.
Just like this.
No,
For your brother.
but I'm saying I agree with what he's trying to say.
Yeah,
I
babe,
get
just
it.
leave it like that.
When
Just
people
leave
don't
it like
want to work
that.
with us,
I mean, we're mad about the whole scenario, but we're trying to get out.
We had a hard time. Tonight's not the night to talk about it.
That's the thing.
Everybody's been drinking.
That's what you're
Tomorrow
doing.
is the day to call guest services and try to work this out.
Yeah.
When everybody's sober.
Be smart.
Mike's still talking to you guys.
I'm not. That's my boy.
Let's get out of here.
My boy's like, yo, you getting. I'm telling you why.
5-year-old lady, she come back.
Please, I need to use the restroom.
Right, so we're gonna get out of here. Is that okay?
Thank you. Hey, thank you. What's your name?
I'm not holding you guys here.
Thank you very much for your.
Why are you still here? I came
talking
here.
to my boy.
I came ready to get arrested.
Oh my
up there.
God.
Like, I guess you get arrested. I'm
Jackie.
No one's getting arrested.
Oh, it's cool.
I'm talking to my boy.
I need to use the
Sorry,
restroom.
we don't agree with what happened.
Which hotel are you staying at?
But you said
gotta
that one
defend.
thing, and we're out of here.
It's that way.
I gotta
That
defend.
way.
I gotta defend.
Hey, thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you. Go. Yo, what do you mean?
That way.
I'm defending you.
It's that
Yeah,
way.
but that way, dude.
Going the wrong way.
Defending you. Vamos para adelante.
Thank you very much, buddy. They appreciate it.
Appreciate it, man. You guys have a good night.
She's over there crying.
Yeah.
this way, guys, this way.
He's getting his wife.
He's getting his wife real quick.
My love, I got away from my brother. I have to do it.
Corporal Sentner issues a clear verbal trespass warning. 1-year ban, arrest upon return. Under Florida law, verbal notice is legally sufficient, no written document or signature is required. The warning is captured on body camera and the brothers acknowledge it through direct questions about the consequences. The officers demonstrate textbook de-escalation. Rather than arresting immediately when the brothers become argumentative, Corporal Sentner engages a calmer member of the group as an intermediary. He advises the group to call guest services the following day when sober. This prioritizes voluntary compliance over enforcement, and it works. The first encounter ends without force. Approximately 1 hour later, the brothers re-enter the park. This is where a civil matter becomes criminal. Section 8 to 10.08 establishes that any person who, having been warned to depart, willfully re-enters commits trespass in a structure. Because the park was occupied, the charge elevates to a first-degree misdemeanor up to 365 days in jail and a $1,000 fine. One brother claims they were never warned. The officer responds that the entire prior interaction is on body camera. This highlights a critical legal reality. Body-worn cameras eliminate the primary defense in trespass after warning cases, disputing the warning itself. Every element of this offense is documented on footage the prosecution can play in court. The prosecution's case is exceptionally strong. 4 elements required: initial authorization as ticketed guests established, verbal warning to depart by an authorized agent recorded, acknowledgement of that warning recorded, willful re-entry after notice recorded. A defense attorney has almost nothing to work with here. The arrest uses the lowest level of the force continuum: verbal commands followed by handcuffing. No takedown, no additional tools. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment. Here, force was clearly proportional to a non-violent misdemeanor. The brothers' intoxication provides no defense. Voluntary intoxication does not negate willfulness under Florida's trespass statute.
We're leaving right now. Yeah, we're leaving. You guys were verbally trespassed. You guys were told to leave. We escorted you off property and told you if you returned, you'd be subject to arrest.
You never told that.
Yes, we did.
We didn't sign any papers there.
You didn't have to sign any papers. You
Are
were
you
given a verbal trespass.
We're leaving.
And we
We're
told
literally
you.
leaving right now.
You walked in the arrested, correct? Drop the drink.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sorry. We're gonna bring you back to process. What's the easiest way to bring
This is a card.
What is that?
It's just a card. I'm gonna put it in his pocket.
What's locked? You want them hard on?
Is shit?
Your wife, limit, came back.
Yes. We already told we couldn't come back. So.
Yes, you were.
Yeah.
It's all on body camera.
Okay. Let me see it.
You'll see it in the courtroom.
Cool.
What's hers in?
Just so.
The watch?
Yeah.
All right, 1 second.
I don't know. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead. Here, I want to bring you over here. I want to see this. Go ahead.
There's the button. I was looking for the button. A little bit better?
Yeah.
There you go.
God damn, so. Thank you, bro. Frankie.
Yo.
Don't do anything crazy, bro.
Nah, I'm Gucci, bro.
What do you guys want?
I got no drugs. I got no knives. I got no weapons.
Spread your feet. Stay like that.
All right, hey, you want to just pat them down real quick before they go in your car?
I'll take care of it.
Hello?
I need his.
Wait.
No, you're good.
Off the one. Yeah, we're going to jail, okay?
Yeah, you're a fucking idiot.
Well, I love you, okay? My son's okay, right? My son's okay? Hello? Well, I can't hear you, but I love you, okay? Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Yeah. You got him? Sorry.
I don't know.
You'll be able to get numbers when you get there.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
1 second, I'm just going to check again, bro.
No.
Just to be sure.
Yes. Yeah, there's no orange right there.
Hold that just for a second so I can check him.
That's the hotel, I think. No, the orange. Right.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Stay still for a second.
Sorry.
Here's your brother.
You got a direct, Courtney.
I got 2 of them right here.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'll knock them out. Not mine. Not his.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Grades. Corporal Sentner receives an A-. Accurate legal explanations, exemplary de-escalation, a model trespass warning, and groundway C, and a minimal force arrest across 2 encounters. The minor deduction. A more direct initial approach could have shortened the first contact, though the patience shown was arguably the better call. The brothers receive a D. They demanded evidence the law does not require, argued a legal point they were wrong about, and returned to the property after an explicit warning, the one decision that guaranteed arrest. To their credit, they did not physically resist. Universal Studios and the Orlando Police Department receive an A. Seamless coordination between private security and law enforcement. 3 takeaways. First, private property owners in Florida have absolute removal authority. Disagreeing with the reason does not give you the right to return. Second, a verbal trespass warning carries the same legal weight as a written one, and body cameras now make it impossible to deny receiving one. Third, the proper remedy when you believe a trespass was unjust is to contact guest services or consult an attorney the following day exactly as the officer advised. Returning to the property converts a zero-consequence situation into a criminal arrest, a booking photo, and a court date. The only protection that works is walking away. All individuals shown are presumed innocent until proven guilty. This analysis does not constitute legal advice. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.